Today, we're going to take a quick look at these photochromic sunglasses. The company did send these over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in this box. And actually, they sent me two pair. And speaking of the box, look how nice that is. So if you do send it as a gift, you can be proud of how it shows up. Now, it does come with the glasses. I'll go over those in just a second. But each glasses come with its own hard shell case. So that's very nice that they've included a nice hard shell case to protect them. Also, a soft shell holder too, or case, a little bag, and then the glasses cleaner themselves. So you get a little cloth along with some product information. Now, as far as the glasses go, like I said, they did send me two different pairs. So these are the transparent black. As you can see, they're really nice, cool, stylish frames. You can see through them. That's where the transparent name comes into play. Very strong sunglasses. These are auto darkening. They do have this nice earpiece here as well. It's very comfortable and lightweight. So you don't really even feel these as you are carrying them. Actually, when I pulled the box out, I was like, does this have any sunglasses in it? And here are the solid black ones, as you can see there. And you can see the clear lens. Now I'm going to go over to the B-roll footage here and just show you these darkening when you go out into the UV sunlight. So if you're golfing, fishing, cycling, playing pickleball, whatever you're doing outside, these glasses are definitely going to be great asset for you to be able to wear and do all those different activities. And as you can see inside, they're not really darkening up, and they're going to adjust as you get into different UV rays and things like that. They're going to kind of adjust with the atmosphere that you're in. So if you're looking for some really nice glasses for all those outdoor and indoor activities, then I can definitely recommend these. And this is the solid black, and I'll show you what these look like just on inside as well. So that's what those transparent black ones look like. So super nice, non-slip, and very good quality plastic PC material here. So they're not going to shatter when you accidentally drop them on the ground. Hope this video helps.